Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how do you copy and paste in Google Docs. So this is very simple. Just go to the text, select the text that you want to copy and press Command C or Control C if you are on Windows. Alternatively, you can right click and press copy. Then go back to your docs, right click and press paste. And as you can see, you can enable copy, cut and paste. So as you can see, it shows you that you can use also shortcut Command C for copy, Command X for cut, and Command V for paste. If you're on Windows, it's basically the same numbers, same letters, just use Control over Command. Then press install and you can install your Google Docs offline. So just press Command and V, and as you can see, your text is here. You can also select it, right click, copy, then go to another part of your document, right click and paste. Command V. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.